Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today I'm here to give you an update on the one and the only Pepe. Pepe has been exploding recently, and there's been some very interesting breakthroughs from a fundamental perspective as to why this asset has been trending up and sort of exploding to the upside. Now, we are going to cover this from a technical analysis standpoint, looking at some very key factors here and sort of price predictions as what we can be looking for here for the next couple of days, weeks, months, or so. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into this project here. And as you can see, it is now at a market cap of around $8 billion. Okay, so since we last spoke, I think this has 2x'd. Unbelievable stuff. So well done to everyone that did get involved with Pepe and held through all of the hardship of the bear market and everything going down. But yeah, it's actually exploded right now. And you know why it's exploded? It's exploded specifically because of two reasons. Two very bullish reasons, actually. COINBASE has now listed it, as you can see here in this section here, COINBASE Exchange, and we know the volume that will bring from a Western market, huge. And also, talking of Western markets, Robinhood, you know Robinhood, the trading app that started the Wall Street bets phenomenon. They have also said that they will be listing Pepe as well. Not listed as of yet, as far as I'm aware here on CMC, but in light of that news, it just makes it very easy for retail to really jump into an asset like Pepe now, okay? Because the barrier to entry isn't like you got to create a Binance account, you've got to do KYC and all this other stuff. Robinhood, a lot of people actually already have accounts from previous trading and investing experience, and jumping and throwing Pepe on there is going to really drive a lot of volume, okay? And that's why we did see quite an explosive pump to the upside here for this asset. To be precise, 93% in the last 7 days. Unreal. Okay, let's get into the chart and let's look at some price predictions as to what we could be looking out for this asset and very important pullback areas. Now, before we do that, guys, I want to talk to you quickly about Pepe Unchained. Now, Pepe Unchained has just entered the last phase of its pre-sale. This is very important, okay? It's very important because there is actually only 28 days left until the end, the bitter end of this pre-sale, and it is nearly, I think it is the largest pre-sale I've ever seen before, and they've actually raised $30.8 million. $30 million they've raised in this project, guys. It's actually unbelievable here, and I'm very impressed. If you guys are interested in Pepe and you're looking at this project and you don't really know what it is and what it's all about, then you can actually just have a little look here, okay? It is, as I said, it's raised $30 million. It's a layer 2 based protocol, and they have actually built a blockchain for Pepe on Ethereum, where now people can actually build meme coins on this chain, which is insanely bullish. Basically like base chain, getting in before base chain launches, okay? It's insane, okay? As you can see, they've raised $30 million. It is instant bridging between Ethereum and Pepe, lowest transaction fees on Ethereum, and also higher volume capacity than Ethereum, and it is also 100 times faster than Ethereum. Insane, okay? So there's a lot of stuff that is basically saying that this project is going to absolutely explode at launch here, guys. And you can see $30.8 million has been raised. If you want to get involved with it, you can. There is a countdown. You've got 28 days until the launch. Ethereum, USDT, or your card, or even BNB, guys. Go check it out. Okay, now back to the GOAT here, the Pepe coin here. You can see on the 12-hour time frame here, we have obviously seen quite a lot of momentum from this low to this high. It's roughly around 3.2x on our investment. Unbelievable stuff from November the 4th, before the election, just up to the 14th of November. So just about 10 days, this asset has just absolutely exploded. Now, we need to be realistic here. We can't just simply be holding this asset now and hoping that it's going to do another 2x. It's very unlikely for this to happen right now, guys. What is going to happen? It is very likely that it's going to come down. Okay, we're going to see a bit of a reduction in the price, a correctionary phase. We did see a little bit of a correction recently over the last day or so, but nothing too too congruent in terms of setting higher lows or anything like that, right? You can see it was around a 9% from current live price. I would expect at least the 7 SMA on the 12-hour or even the daily here to get tapped before we see any sort of crazy momentum to the upside here. And it does really make sense for us to come down here, test this area, and then see another leg up from there. Okay, I would probably expect some sort of consolidatory period here, maybe some pennant chart pattern and then continuation. That's what makes the most sense to me. And from a risk averse standpoint, this would be your buying area. You've got 4-hour volume weighted ATR bands, you've got daily volume weighted ATR bands, you've got previous all-time highs here. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff basically saying that this asset will come down on the short term. And if we do go on to the stochastic here, you can see stochastic on the daily is far too overextended here. Momentum is overextended as well. It's due a pullback, guys. So just be aware a pullback is sort of inevitable for Pepe right now, but that will be our buy zone. Now, the real question that you guys are probably thinking here is how high can this asset go over the next sort of 12 months or something like that, right? Let's have a little look. So you can see Pepe is at around an $8 billion market cap. King of all the meme coins is Doge at around $54 billion market cap. If we are going to compare the two, I know Doge's all-time high, I think it's 80 billion here. So that would be another 10x for Pepe. I mean, I think that's a bit outlandish right now, but I don't think a 2x or a 3x is out of the question here, okay? I do still think that there is room for growth here. Even a 2x basically brings you to SHIB levels here, and I think Pepe is going to get a lot more traction than SHIB just in general in the next run, because everyone's sort of bored of SHIB by now. So yeah, definitely something to be looking out for there, guys. Another run for Pepe, but right now a pullback is probably due. Okay, thank you ever so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section of Pepe and whether you're buying it, trading it, whether you got involved with the pump. I'm intrigued to know. And also drop a little like on the video as well. Now, also, don't forget about this little bad boy. $30 million raise. This thing is going to absolutely explode. Links in the description. Go check this out. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. That's going to be it from me. Peace out, and I'll catch you in the next one.